Welcome. Here is a comprehensive set of 15 essential accounting journal entries explained side by side in both English and Bangla. The transaction including capital, drawings, sales, purchase, expense, income, assets, liabilities, adjustments, depreciation and VAT, etc. It's very important of accounting journal entries is given below. Serial 1. Transaction. Capital introduced. Cash bank. Debit. Capital credit. Cash deposit into bank. Bank debit, cash credit. Goods purchase for cash. Purchase debit, cash credit. Goods purchase on credit. Purchase debit, creditors credit. Goods sold for cash. Cash debit, sales credit. Goods sold on credit. Debtors debit, sales credit. Salary paid. Salary expense debit, cash credit. Rent paid. Rent expense debit, cash credit. Commission receipt. Cash debit, commission income credit. Interest receipt. Bank debit, interest income credit. Furniture purchase, furniture debit, bank credit. Machinery purchase on credit. Machinery debit, creditors credit. Loan taken from bank, bank debit, loan account credit. Loan repaid, loan account debit, bank credit. Drawings cash, drawings debit, cash credit. Drawings goods, drawings debit, purchase credit. Depreciation on machinery, depreciation debit, account depreciation credit. Electricity bill, electricity expense debit, electricity payable credit. Prepaid insurance debit, insurance expense credit. Accrued interest income, interest receivable debit, interest income credit. VAT paid on purchase, purchase debit, input by debit, cash public bank credit. VAT collect on sale, bank debit, sales credit, output VAT credit. OP suppliers purchase, OP suppliers debit, cash credit. Advertisement paid, advertisement expense debit, bank credit. Audit due, audit expense debit, audit payable credit. Bonus provision, bonus expense debit, bonus payable credit. Interest on loan, interest expense debit, loan payable credit. Donation given, donation expense debit, cash credit. Plant paid, plant expense debit, bank credit. Goods stolen, lost by thief debit, inventory credit. Goods destroyed by fire, lost by fire debit, inventory credit. Insurance claim receivable, insurance receivable debit, lost by fire credit. Goods returned to supplier, creditors debit, purchase return credit. Goods returned by customer, sales return debit, debtors credit. Bill accept, creditors debit, bill payable credit. Bill annulled, bill payable debit, bank credit. Bad debts written up, bad debts expense debit, debtors credit. Recovery of bad debts, cash debit, bad debts recovery credit. Petty cash replenished, petty cash debit, bank credit. Loan given to employee, employee loan account debit, bank credit. Loan paid by employee, bank debit, employee loan account credit. Asset revaluation gain, asset account debit, revaluation reserve credit. Asset revaluation loss debit, asset account credit. Transfer of net profit, profit and loss account debit, capital credit. Goods and consignment account debit, inventory credit. Advance from customer, bank debit, advance from customer credit. Advance paid to supplier, advance to supplier debit, bank credit. Amortization of goodwill, amortization expense debit, goodwill credit. Accrued commission income, commission receivable debit, commission income credit. Final account closed, trading account debit, profit and loss account credit, or profit and loss account debit, capital credit.